Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Tholin in Raid Shadow Legends. Tholin is a legendary dwarf champion in Raid Shadow Legends, so he's a bit rare and not always easy to get. The most straightforward way is through shard summons, mystery, ancient, or sacred shard. But legendary drop rates are low, so ancient shards usually give your best chance. You can also get him through champion fragments or special events like chase summons or fusion events, where pulling him directly is possible. Occasionally, he shows up in a market or shop, though that's rare and usually comes at a higher cost. Another option is mystery shards from campaign drops, which give a chance to pull him over time. If you're chasing Tholin, saving up ancient shards and pulling during double summon events helps improve your odds. He's not top tier, but he works well as a filler or for faction wars, making him a solid addition to your roster. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.